Hi guys, welcome back to Unboxer TV. This is Adnan Ahmed back with another video. So guys, I thought of making a video about Paytm. Because the tournament is also coming, for which you need to have a Paytm account. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay guys, now let's continue the video. First open your Paytm app, and now I'll show you how you can receive or send money. But there are some pros and some cons because you're not at 18 and you need to do your KYC. As you have not done your KYC, you have two cons, and a lot of the rest of them are just pros. So the two cons are, let's start with the cons. And the first con is that you can't transfer the money to your bank account, and the second con is you can't add money to your wallet. But the pros are that you can send money to your friends, you can just make payments, and the other thing is how to add money. You can just pay money to your friends and ask them to send it to your Paytm wallet. You can just receive. I'll just show you my wallet. You can just go to the wallet and just check it out. Your Paytm wallet will be over here, and as you can see over here, cashback received from Paytm. As you all know, I have not done my KYC yet. When I close my app, Paytm app, and then just open it again, you'll just find out that my KYC is not done. Okay, Paytm. Oh, what happened? Just a second, let's open it again. Okay, it's getting open, and it will show me please do your what do you say, KYC. It didn't ask me now. Don't share details on social media. Okay guys, let me just close it again. I just showed it to you all. I am making this video for the second time. Yeah, that's there. Get your KYC done as per RBI guidelines. Please complete your KYC to continue enjoying full benefits of your wallet. So guys, this is the proof, and I can't make more further proofs for showing you that I have not done my KYC. This is the procedure. This is the way to add, remove, and enjoy Paytm. And thanks for watching guys. If you have not registered yourself for the PUBG tournament, the link in the description is to the website of the registration portal for the PUBG tournament. Go ahead, register for just 50 bucks, and you can win a prize of 1000 as the first prize, second prize as 500, and third prize as 250. And if you want to donate to Unboxer TV, make sure you scan the QR code and just pay. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next one. Bye bye. We'll be right back.